Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Saitama. It's looking good. Yeah, good updates coming out, more bombs to expect. Huh, I did spend a lot of time reading through all the details that they've quoted. I mean, searching through what those partnerships would mean in the future. So in this video, we are going to discuss a little about some tweets and the recent big updates that Russell has just dropped, and more bombs to come. So please do stay tuned and watch till the end of the video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also share this video to others who would like to know more about Saitama token so that we can spread the word. Before we begin, the same old disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, or neither is this any financial advice. I'm just here to educate or probably provide my knowledge to all those people out there who are new to crypto or people who are into crypto in the crypto world. So please do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space out there. Having said that, let's begin. Let's have a quick look at the market. At the time of recording this video, it is up by 5.71%, recovering from the crash, and pretty good recovery indeed. Because having Bitcoin up by 3.41, Ethereum up by 6%, Cardano by 5, we are seeing all green. So in terms of so many stable currencies, so that's really nice to see that it's recovering pretty quick than how it crashed down in the recent days because of the issue. So it's good to see that it's on the upcoming uptrend. When it comes to Saitama, it's up by 2.66, pretty good. Nothing to worry about in the last 24 hours. The volume is also getting good. The market cap, yes, we are almost reaching that 1 billion market cap, guys. So we are almost reaching. So once we hit that, yes, we are going to hit the zero. It is a bit tough. Yes, there is a little sell off. People do take profits. We do not blame them. We should not as well, because each one has their own reason to go ahead and sell. So that's something that we should not speculate about or even be subject to any discussion as such. People buy, people sell. I buy it today, I sell it tomorrow. It's my individual decision and my situation on what I'm selling it for. So that's absolutely fine. People want to take a profit, or this selling my thought probably might have happened because of the market crash, and thinking that this would crash even more is when people wanted to just take some profits and probably see if they can buy the dip. But well, the Saitama Wolf Pack is strong enough. We bounce back right up the alley, and we did hold on to that support zone of 8,000 range. That's good to see. Now coming down to the tweets, yeah, big bombs dropped by the Saitama Guru. Like I said in the last week, so in the recent videos, I've always been quoting that they might be busy a little in terms of signing big documents because of the legal conditions that are there. They might be a little held up. That's where we are, not seeing much of updates. But yeah, I did quote in the probably on the last Saturday that we are going to go ahead and get some major updates, mainly because they were held up for 2 entire days on legal part. So that means that some big partnerships are coming in, and here we are. Look at that. The first MMA fight will be sponsored on October 16th. Now that's really huge. How is it huge? Simple concept. You're tagging up with one of the sports events which is very widely accepted or very widely watched across the globe, as well as you're reaching a lot more audience out there who can potentially be investors. Think of this: a million audience out there who would be watching this fight on October 16th. Just to quote a number, a vague number, 10% of them just invest in Saitama. What would your market cap be? That's it. As simple as that. Enough said. So moving on. First NBA HOF NFT launch event next week of Nate Archibald. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. So it's if it's Archibald or Archibald, please let me know in the comment section if my pronunciation is wrong. Please do forgive me for that. So going on, this is also good that they have these NFTs getting launched. The first NBA NFTs that are going out the market. Good to see. Cool to see how they look, and probably to check out how the artistic side of it would be there on the NFT front. Nice to see that also rolling out in the coming days. Next, we have several NBA, NFL entertainers and influencers onboarding, waiting on NIL compliance. Now, this will be huge for me or for anyone who is invested in Saitama. The main reason, like I've always been saying, it is not about targeting a single individual, it is targeting the entire backed community or influenced influencers who have a good backing behind them, right? So it's always about converting interesting people to potential investors, right? So they are doing this marketing in a very strategic manner. They're approaching the right people who have the right background to go ahead and spread the word of Saitama as well as get more investors in place. So this is really nice to see. I'm really curious to know who would be those NBA players or NFL players or entertainers and influencers. In fact, really nice to see this particular news, and this will definitely have a lot of potential growth in the upcoming days, weeks, months, whole years to come. In fact, so this is really nice. MGM venue secured for Saitama's wallet launch. This is also really good news that now they have booked it and it's confirmed. It's official. It is happening. There is no change of dates. Max also did confirm in one of his tweets yesterday that Saitama, or I think a couple of days before, I believe it's on 20th. So Saitamask is up and running. They are almost finishing, giving the finishing touches for that. And 13th November will be the date for the launch of Saitamask. There will be no changes. Yes, we will be getting Saitamask wallet on 13th of November. Nice to see that. And global partnerships and business development nearing the final phases of contractual compliance. This is also good because now it's not localized effort that they're putting in, they're going global. This is what I meant by establishing a brand and presence in the global level in my earlier videos. Once you start establishing yourself in global levels, you will get a lot of new exposure. You will get a whole lot of new audience. You have a potential access to whole lot of other markets where you can actually penetrate and get some investors into your business. So this is really nice to see, and these partnerships will definitely aid to the long term growth of the project. Even though you do not see that short term spike in terms of the price, it will definitely be very very beneficial for the long run and sustenance of Saitama. Trust me on that. Moving on, the education content and development with Saitama partners, 70% is complete. This is really good news to see because this is the main, one of the main concepts why I really like Saitama, because they are into crypto education or probably education in particular, in fact, right? So they are doing something to educate people, and that in turn is really nice because the moment you start building awareness is when a lot of people know what to do in their life, right? So that is when you can probably that kind of a charity based approach, not done for only the brand name but they're doing it for real, guys. It's not done only to as a business angle. Charity has been their motive even before they got into such kind of a price action. So this is not something that they're trying to do in the right now just to create some marketing exposure, so that I go ahead and donate some stuff and I just put some Twitter post and say I'm doing this charity event, so people get enticed that okay, these people are doing some charity for stuff, so they might be good, let me just invest in them. No, that's not how Saitama is operating. Just to be clear, if you go back and check that Twitter posts, even before Saitama actually had any major news flowing through, even before this so-called spike started happening, if I come down to the market cap, Saitama's price, till date, even before this spike started coming in, guys, they were already doing a lot of charity activities or events over here in this duration. July, August, yes, they were, I mean, June, July, I guess that's when I got into Saitama, June. So I've been following them since the time. And yes, they have been conducting many such charity events, and they are always behind this particular portion of giving back to the community. They have done a lot of giveaways. You have been seeing it in Jake Again show as well on the YouTube channel. I have also been part of some of the YouTube streams that he makes. A really nice job. Yes, I like him on a personal note. But yeah, the giveaways have been happening. There were a lot of people who were holding, and it was really nice to see in some of those giveaway show events on live stream that people who actually got these tokens won them in the giveaway. They actually gave it back to give it to someone else. So that is the kind of culture that the community also has been built up with. So really nice to see such a thing because I mean, think of it. If I've got a trillion tokens, or I would say I have 100 billion tokens, would I be so happy to easily let them go? It's as simple as that, right? So I say ultimately, yes, I'm a person who would definitely like to make money. So why would I leave money if it is coming free? Of course, for me, right? Unless and until you are having that mentality of let me grow and let others also grow along with me, and that's what Saitama community is all about. And I really like them for that. So if you come down to that Telegram channel, also check out their Telegram channel and join that and just be part of it. You can see that always they keep speaking about giving back to the community, giving back to the society, probably more about education, charity, and all those stuff. So that's really nice to actually see. It's not always about price. See, right now the conversations might be happening about, yeah, all the price hikes and happening, reaching that 1 billion market cap, hitting that, cropping off that 10 and stuff. But if you check through their previous tweets altogether, you can see that every time the core members at least have spoken, it is always to do something for the community and the society out there, rather than just looking at a pure business profit based angle. And that's something that I really love about Saitama community and the Wolf Pack altogether. So kudos to that, guys. In fact, Russell, Max, and Namtram, in all of their AMAs, they have been very humble, they have been very honest, they have been very transparent. I really love them. And each and every stuff that they're doing and working, it's for us who have invested in the coin, not only for their own personal benefit, guys. So they're actually building such a kind of a company out there, so that they grow as well as others who are part of it also grow. So that's the kind of attitude which really I love. So that's where I'm very bullish on Saitama, as well as wishing them my best of the luck, and I'm holding strong. All right, so moving on, we also had one last bomb dropped out by Russell. He says that there are some negotiations going on to get listed in one of the top exchanges. So do go down to the comment section below. Let me know what you think the next exchange would be. My thought, mm, FTX. I don't know. I don't know. But just guessing, FTX might be one of the exchanges where we can get listed. I know people would be behind Robinhood, Coinbase, Binance. But like I said, Binance is not happening until we get the 200,000 mark holders. That's what they had quoted earlier. But now we do not know. Things might have changed. So it might be even Binance as well. But yeah, nonetheless, just quoting my personal thought, FTX exchange. So apart from that, please do let me know in the comment section below what you feel. Nice to see all those suggestions and what your thoughts are on which exchange that we would get Saitama would get listed over that. So the next one, the last one for this video, guys, it's about the partnership on the MMA fight. So we have this knockout artist promotions group in Twitter who is also officially announced that it is Saitama Inu is now part. I mean, they should have dropped this Inu and have this logo updated, I believe. So that would be nice, because now we do not have that Inu in place, right? So that's fine. That's absolutely okay. We can definitely correlate, but they have actually started promoting it on an official front, and we can see much more promotion events happening now. So now it's becoming a global topic for everyone, with Saitama as a token, as a company, and as a community which is going strong. So Wolfpack out there, really good job. A lot of good shilling happening from each one of the community members out there. So as an investor, I can do my part in terms of sharing YouTube videos, but as other community members, posting Twitter posts, spreading the word across in all the social media out there. So a big thank you for everyone. Yes, because thank you from my side, because yes, as and when the community grows, as and when the token price rises, my investment is also actually rising, and I'm also reaping the profits. So it's not my single owned effort or single owned effort from the Saitama company all alone. It's effort put in by the entire community and the Wolfpack out there. So my sincere thanks to every one of you to who have helped achieve Saitama to this level, as well as my support will always be there with any of the good projects out there in the crypto space. So my support is there for Saitama, since I know strongly that this is a very good project indeed. So hoping to see a lot more things coming down in the future days. So thank you so much again for watching this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and watch out other videos on certain things. And especially there is one single video where I have spoken about the three ways where Saitama can be, utilized as a revolutionary part. So just go check that out, and let me know your thoughts on the same, because one of the last idea that I have quoted there is kind of crazy. But if in case it happens, trust me, you're not going to see Saitama as we are seeing it today. It will be on a whole new level that we would be looking at Saitama. So just go check out that video as well. I'll also leave the link in the I button in the top, as well as link it in the cards at the end of the video. And yeah, I'll also leave it in the description below, so that it'll be easier for you guys to go ahead and directly watch that video as well. Thank you so much once again for watching, guys. Have fun.